Europa's secret breathing, plumes, the ocean's message to space. Europa, the most mysterious moon in the solar system. From a distance, it looks perfect, bright, smooth, a flawless sphere of white ice. But this moon is not silent. Beneath its frozen shell, an ocean is breathing. And sometimes, that breath erupts into space. In 2013, NASA's Hubble Space Telescope was observing Europa's south pole. Nothing unusual was expected. But as the data came in, scientists froze in front of their screens. Massive stune of water vapor were erupting from Europa's surface into space, rising more than 200 kilometers high, about 22 times the height of Mount Everest. These are called plumes, and they originate directly from the hidden ocean beneath Europa's icy crust. How is this possible? Europa's ice shell is estimated to be 15 to 25 kilometers thick. How can water travel through such a massive barrier? The answer lies in Jupiter's relentless gravity. Europa completes one orbit around Jupiter every 3.5 days. During this time, Jupiter's enormous mass constantly bends and stretches the moon like kneading rubber. This flexing creates cracks in the ice shell. The ocean below is pushed upward through these fractures. Pressure builds and builds until it finally bursts. The result, a towering column of water shooting into the darkness of space. Why is this so important? Under normal circumstances, studying Europa's ocean would require drilling through kilometers of ice, something nearly impossible with today's technology. But the plumes change everything. Europa's ocean water is already being sprayed into space. If we are in the right place at the right time, we can analyze the ocean's chemical composition directly, without landing, without drilling, simply by flying through the plume itself. It sounds like science fiction, but this is exactly what NASA is doing. In October 2024, NASA launched the Europa Clipper spacecraft. When it arrives in the Jupiter system, it will perform 49 close flybys of Europa. Some of these passes are intentionally planned over regions where plumes are most likely to erupt. On board are powerful scientific instruments, a mass spectrometer capable of analyzing the chemical makeup of water down to individual atoms, salinity detectors, organic molecule sensors, and magnetometers. In a single flyby, it could collect data capable of answering questions that have existed for decades. Scientists will search for compounds containing carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and sulfur, the 6 essential elements for life as we know it. If these are present in Europa's ocean, then that ocean may be capable of supporting life. What kind of life? Most likely microbial, perhaps organisms similar to the bacteria that live around hydrothermal vents on Earth. Creatures that survive in complete darkness, under crushing pressure, without sunlight. On our own planet, ecosystems thrive in the deepest parts of the oceans, around volcanic vents, in water exceeding 300 degrees Celsius. They do not rely on the sun. Their only requirements are heat, water, and chemical energy. Europa appears to have all three. In 1977, when the Voyager spacecraft captured images of Europa, scientists noticed strange lines crisscrossing its surface, but did not fully understand them. Today we know those khtoot were created by the ocean beneath, cracking the ice shell from below. Even that first photograph carried evidence of the hidden ocean. Now, Europa Clipper is on its way, and the plumes are waiting. Perhaps one of those frozen jets of water carries the answer to a question humanity has asked for billions of years. Are we alone in the universe? Europa may already know. We are about to find out.